Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to get the Discord app on your Xbox One. Coming up next in this Xbox tutorial. So do you want to get and use Discord on your Xbox One? And I'm not talking about accessing Discord in your web browser. There is actually an application you can get on your Xbox One that will allow you to use Discord. And you can get this through the Microsoft Store. So on the home screen of our Xbox One, let's go to the store. And if it doesn't appear on your home screen, press the Xbox button on your controller, then go down one and to the right to store. Now let's go down to search. Now this application is a third-party client, so it won't be called Discord. If you type in Q, the first application on the left-hand side will be named Quarrel. Let's go ahead and select this with A. And Quarrel is a frequently updated Discord client for all Windows devices aimed to spread the usability of Discord to mobile, Xbox, HoloLens, and non-Windows 32 tablets and PC. So it's basically a third-party Discord application. So let's go ahead and get this and install it on our Xbox One. Now let's go ahead and launch this application. So now go ahead and log in with your email address and password for your Discord. And it's connecting me to Discord right now. Alright, so I'm now logged in with the application. And if you do have a problem with the application not signing you in and it keeps loading and loading and loading, uninstall the application and then reinstall it from the Microsoft Store. So I'm on the application right now. You can see all the icons on the left hand side. Everything is showing up and displaying. This is a third-party application, so you may get some ads here and there. So I can type in a message by going to send message. This will pop up. Go ahead and type your message, press the 3 lines on your controller, and it will send the message. So it's pretty easy to scroll through the different chat channels. When you select them, it will go full screen, but all you have to do is press the LB button and you'll get the sidebar back. You go to the left and right with the bumpers. Then you're going to scroll up and down through the different channels using the right thumbstick. And it seems like everything loads quite quickly once you go to the different chat channels. Now you do have an option to join voice channels. Let's scroll down to one of my voice channels on here and just go to the general voice channel and select it. So your microphone will show up here on the left hand side. You can go ahead and activate or deactivate it right here. Now I heard the voice channels on here do sound a little bit weird, and sometimes when multiple people are talking at the same time, you may start getting some feedback. Go ahead and leave the voice channel by hanging up the call right here. But otherwise, this is just the Discord application that you know and love on your Xbox One. So if this video did indeed help you out, go ahead and leave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more Xbox One tech help videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.